Hello if you're new. Today is me and Casey's last collab for the month of July? Apparently I'm still in June. But anyway, school is getting ready to start. I'm so excited. I've been super busy today, but I'm going to do a speed clean with my kitchen because that's all I really have time for, because I have to go get Jake fitted for his football stuff. We have to go to a scrimmage. There's a bunch of stuff I've got to do today, so I barely have time for this. We're gonna get it in. Let's get into it.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated. It's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. not wait here until your faith is shaken. There's a whole lot of good on your mind and on my mind. And I know that right now I'd like to play the part to rebuild you one more time. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo, we're holding hope and wake up yesterday. So hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me. Hold on to me.
They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we live for it, we live for forever. I'll meet you at the hideout, where we can dream again. I'll tell you all my secrets, wearing courage like a second skin. The kids are all dying, we're dying to believe again. Run through the open streets, we take what is needed. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it, we live for forever. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we live for it, we live for forever. We can dream all night till the sun rises. They say you're only young once, but we live for it, we die for it.
Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for this video, and the month of July is over with. As focus. Okay. So the month of July's collabs are over with. Go check out Casey's channels if you have not already. Show her some love. Tell her I sent you. And if you're from her channel, welcome. I would love for you to subscribe. I try to motivate and clean and yeah, get you through those hard days. But yesterday was my birthday, and me and Autumn and my BBF are going to go out tomorrow. So Autumn insisted I buy this, so maybe I can get a drink spot for me. Hopefully. Watch, it lights up. Okay, but anyway, I had a pretty good birthday, I must say. Between Seth, the kids, Autumn, my best friend, it was a pretty good birthday. So, Go follow me on Instagram if you have not already, so you can see day-to-day lives whenever I pop up and want to give you a Q&A. I would like to know what you guys want to see in the month of August for videos, but I might have a surprise for the month of August. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I gotta figure out how my schedule is and then go from there before I jump in head first, because my sister gave me some pretty good advice or pointed something out pretty good to me. So I just need to check my schedule and make sure I can commit before I commit and get overwhelmed. So, but hope this video gives you some motivation to clean your kitchen, to clean something on this Saturday when you're seeing it. Today's Friday, but I hope you get up, get to cleaning. My living room needs to be cleaned. I have a basket full of towels. I went shopping today. I had to get Jake his football stuff. I got a few back to school things, and I grabbed me a couple clothes. So I'm gonna go put those away. I'm going to go get ready for this scrimmage. I gotta go get Jake fitted for football, and we only have about an hour and a half before I need to leave. So I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you go give Casey some love. Bye guys.